I'm going to use the detangling brush. I don't detangle her hair too much in the bathroom. Hair wash day. This is what I do basically once in 2 weeks or once in a week. It depends the hairstyle she has on. If she has braid on, that means I have to do her hair routine twice a month. But if she has all those rubber band hairstyle on, then I have to do her wash day routine every Saturday or every Sunday. Meaning, if I did not wash her hair Saturday, that means I have to wash her hair on Sunday. For the sake of this video, that is why I'm detangling this section, this particular section in the bathroom. So yeah, this is basically what I do on her hair, and her hair is super healthy and beautiful. The coils are always popping afterwards. Sorry honey, take knock. You want to take knock? Take. So yeah, this is how I detangle her hair. This is how I maintain her hair. This is why our hair products don't last. Yeah, try now. I'm applying it on her hair, and she's also applying it on her bobby hair. Like, make it make sense. See, I'm applying it on her hair, and she's also applying it on her mermaid hair. That is why the hair product never lasts, you guys. You see what she's doing? That is the only way to make her stay one place. So that is the only way she can stay one place, you guys. Oh, look at the hair now. My 3 years old natural hair. Mama, I'm not seeing anything. I know you're not seeing anything. I know, I'm sorry. So this section is done. It took her forever to answer me. Okay, next. Let me detangle this section for the sake of this video.
Mama, wash your hair, baby.
Yeah, wash your hair, baby, Bobby. Yeah, wash the Bobby. Yeah. No, you know that you're wasting that water. Enough, please. Can we stop with the water? Yeah, you're wasting the water, honey. Enough.
Mommy, you got the Bobby too.
Yeah, you want to wash Bobby's face? Oh, yeah, hurry up. Wash the face now. Let's go down to this. Just for the sake of this video, let me just kukuma the tangle the hair here. She's wasting my water. Really? Enough, Josh. Enough, Annie.
Mama, I'm back to the man.
Enough with the water now.
I'm back.
Did you guys see what she's doing? Enough with the water, darling. Oh my God. This brush is absolutely amazing. It gets the job done. Okay, this section is done. This is the last section. What's it again? Okay. Oh yeah. This is the last section. I'm hurrying, like I'm doing fast because she's wasting my water, you guys. Let me just stop now, honey. Can you stop? Oh my God. My goodness. Enough?
Yeah.
Yeah, what's the mama water? That's not cool. Okay. I'm going to wash her hair, wash the product out, and then we are good to go. It's too hot. You put it hot. Sorry, honey. Yeah, honey. I'm sorry. It's too hot. So I'm going to finish. I'm just going to wash her hair, and I will continue with the detangling in the living room because she's wasting my water, guys. Yeah, you're wasting mama's water. These are the products I use: shampoo, extra nourishing conditioner,